Our signature products, the Moroccanoil Treatments. They are ideal for all hair types. Both Moroccanoil Treatment and Moroccanoil Treatment Light have the same benefits. The difference is that Moroccanoil Treatment Light is ideal for fine or light-colored hair. Moroccanoil Treatment uses a unique formula that instantly absorbs into the hair to produce luminous shine and silky perfection while transforming its overall look and feel. A conditioning, styling, and finishing tool, it also speeds up blow-drying time by detangling the hair and improving manageability. Apply a small amount to the palms of your hands and work throughout damp hair from mid-length to ends. Blow dry or let dry naturally. Moroccanoil treatments can be applied to dry hair again after blow drying to tame flyaways or condition dry ends even more. The Moroccanoil treatments are extremely versatile and can be combined with any of the other products in the line. They are also recommended for use in all coloring services. Depending on hair type, you can apply 2 to 5 pumps or more directly to dry hair before coloring. This will help even out the hair's porosity, allowing color to be applied more evenly. You may also add as much as 1.5 capfuls or 5 milliliters, depending on hair type, directly into your color mixture for ultimate protection, shine, elasticity, and maximum absorption of color. Use on dry hair the next day to refresh. For a sleek finish and enhanced shine, smooth your hair with a touch of heat from a flat iron.